is an inseparable part of our day-to-day cooking, from adding a unique flavor and textures to curries and stews, to accentuating the taste of salads, to adding a twist of taste to exotic delicacies. Onions simply add soul to any delicacy. However, their distinct taste and strong smells often make it difficult to cut and store them. But in day-to-day cooking, we often peel and cut onions and store them in a freeze to save time. But is it safe to store peeled onion in a freeze, and why should you avoid doing so? Today's video discusses why should you avoid storing peeled onions in your fridge. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Why is it not a great idea to store onions in a freeze? Strong smells and flavor might add taste to your delicacies, but when you leave it open, it creates a false smell inside the freeze. According to experts, onions are rich in sulfur and are packed with several medical qualities and are rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. However, peeling and storing them in a freeze may not be a great idea, as peeled or chopped onions can be easily contaminated by bacteria and pathogens present in the environment, which leads to oxidations of onions, and this may lead to breeding of pathogens and do more harm than good. What's the right way to store onions? According to experts, peeling onions and storing them is not a great idea. If you want to read the nutritional benefits, it is always advised to peel them or cut them immediately before use. As per the United States Department of Agriculture, the best way to store onions is by keeping them in a sealed container at a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.4 degrees Celsius inside the freeze. Another easy hack to store onion in a freeze is by wrapping each peeled onion in a dry paper towel, as it will reduce the chances of exposure to moisture in air. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.